Hi all, let's see collections in C Sharp. Collections are specialized classes that store group of values or objects. It provides a more flexible way to work with group of objects. Unlike arrays, collections types can grow and shrink dynamically as the need of the application change. That is, arrays contain similar data type object which is fixed in size and also strongly typed, but collection is a group of different data type object which is not fixed in size and also not strongly typed. By using generic, we can make collection as strongly typed. For example, in this array declaration, the size of the array is 5. We cannot add more than 5 elements in this array object numbers, but in array list, we can add more elements which we want in runtime. In collection, size will grow dynamically. In collection type, we can use the functionality add, insert, remove, find, sort, etc. There are two types of collection: non-generic collection and generic collection. System.collections namespace contains a non-generic collection. System.collections.generic namespace contain generic collections. Non-generic collections hold elements of different data types. Array list, hash table, queue, stack. These are all non-generic collections. But in generic collections contain only element of one data type. A generic collections provide type safety so that no other data type can be added to it. When you retrieve an element from generic collection, you do not have to determine its type or convert it. Dictionary, list of generic type, queue of generic type, stack of generic type, sorted list. These are all generic collection. In our upcoming video of this tutorial series, we will see each of this topic individually. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.